Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive Qtum using your Qtum Core wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to copy and paste the address. So you're going to have to access your Qtum Core wallet, and then we're going to copy and paste the public address from the Qtum Core wallet. Let's pull up the Qtum Core wallet now. So go ahead and access that. It looks like this. If you have not yet downloaded and installed a Qtum Core wallet yet, go ahead and check out my previous tutorials on how I do that. And here's a pro tip, but it took me a full day for this Qtum Core wallet to sync up with the blockchain. So that's one part of the process that you're going to have to account for before you actually start sending and receiving using this Qtum Core wallet. So to be clear, this Qtum Core wallet that you're looking at right now is synced with the blockchain. So I did have to wait at least a full day for that to happen. And that's just part of the process when it comes to actually downloading the blockchain. So what we're going to do now is go to the left here and we're going to click receive. It says right here, request data. Use this form to request payments. All fields are optional. So you could, but you don't have to, put in information here, which would be the address, a label, the amount, and message. You don't have to, but you could for accounting purposes. But what we're actually going to do is just click request payment here on the top right. So it pops up this right here, and it's giving us our address, which is this, and it gives us two links, which both work, but we're just going to stick with this address option right here, and we're just going to click copy address. And that's all you had to do for step number one, copy and paste the address. We're going to move on to step number two here, which is to send the address, the public address, to the account sending you Qtum. So we're going to have to send this address via email or through a private messenger. But if I'm expecting someone to send me Qtum, I'm going to have to email them my address that I just got from my Qtum Core wallet here, which is this right here. And when I send that message, I also want to tell them to send a small test transaction first before they send the rest. And that's very important. A test transaction is around $5 or $6. So go ahead and do that. Since I'm using my account and sending it to myself, I'm just going to go access my Exodus account here. And I'm going to go to my wallets and go to Qtum here. And it says that I have 24 Qtum in here. What I'm going to do is click send, and I'm going to copy and paste that same address that I got. And to verify that it is the correct address, I can look at the last 6 digits, which is 9C capital T 1 capital A capital Y. And if you look at the address that I got earlier, it says the same thing. 9C capital T 1 capital A capital Y. So that is the correct address, and that's how you verify that you're sending it to the right person. That's a very important step. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and choose $5 right here, which is 1.2 Qtum. And that's my test transaction. I'm going to go ahead and click send. And it says, are you sure? I'm going to say yes, send. And it says success, transaction successfully sent. And then I'm going to click OK. And the next step here, which is step number 3, is to verify the pending transaction on the Block Explorer. The Block Explorer that we're going to use for this video is QtumExplorer.io. That's the main Qtum Block Explorer, and I'll show you what that looks like. And this is what the QtumExplorer.io website looks like. If you look on the top here, it is connected to a HTTPS website, and it is a secure website. And you can tell by looking at this green padlock right here, saying that it's a secure connection. So that's good. What we're going to do is go to the top right here where it says search. And we're going to paste that same address that we got earlier. And we're going to search it. And as you can see here, the summary says that there's one transaction here and that the balance is 1.25, which is the test transaction that we sent. And if you look on the bottom right here, it says that it went in the account a few seconds ago. So we can actually go back to the Qtum Core wallet to check, and as you can see here, it does actually say that the 1.2 Qtum is available and it's no longer pending. So that successfully went through. So let's move on to step number 4 here, which is to receive the Qtum. And all you have to do is check your Qtum Core wallet to confirm that you received the test transaction, and then you could also verify that the transaction is complete on the Qtum Block Explorer. Again, we could check the wallet once more, but as you can see, it says that there's 1.2 Qtum in there. And if we go back to the Block Explorer here and click refresh, it looks like it refreshed and nothing changed, so it did go through well, so that's fine. So that means we're going to move on to step number 5 here, which is to receive the rest of the Qtum to the Qtum Core wallet. And part A here is to confirm to the sender that you receive the test transaction. So if you're sending your Qtum address to another person so that you could receive Qtum, you're going to want to tell them that you received the test transaction. And you can email them, or you could send them a private message saying that you received the test transaction so that they could send you the full amount now. So let's go through that process once more. Let's go back to the Qtum Core wallet. We're going to go to the receive button here on the left. And what we're going to do is on the top right, we're going to click request payment. And it actually pops up a brand new address. And just to be clear, every time you click this request payment button, it's actually going to give you a brand new address every single time, but all the money sent to those addresses will be sent to the same account. So what we're going to do again is click copy address here, which is going to copy this address. And what we're going to do now is go back to the Exodus account here, and we're going to click send. And we're going to paste that same address. And this time we're going to click all to send the rest of the funds. However, it says not enough funds, so I'll put $92 even. And then it says you are sending $92 even, which is 23 Qtum. So I'm going to go ahead and click send here and click send. And as you can see, this wallet is now empty. So what we can do is go to the Qtum Core wallet here and look at the pending transaction. And as you can see, it's pending 23 Qtum. And what we can also do is go back to this Block Explorer, and we could go back to the main page here. And what we can do is search that transaction and then click enter. And it doesn't show up yet, but if you keep refreshing this page, it's eventually going to show up. So I just refreshed it one more time, and it looks like it went through. As you can see under the summary, there's one transaction for 23 Qtum. And if I pull this up on the bottom right here, you'll see that it went inside the account. So that's good. And if we go back to the Qtum Core wallet now, you'll see that it's no longer pending and that I received the full amount. And that actually concludes this video. In this video, I am not talking about how to back up, protect, or even update the wallet. All I wanted to do was show you how to receive Qtum using your Qtum Core wallet. If you like watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint here. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code DENNY2018. Check out the display address here on the screen, or check out the link below. You could also follow our cryptocurrency market team on Twitter. You could find my social handle at DennyLovejoy. And thank you so much for watching this blockchain tutorial on how to receive Qtum using the Qtum Core wallet. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, send them to me on Twitter. Thanks again, have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.